Hello everyone, I thought I'd take a moment to make a quick video about recording the screen of an iOS device, whether that be an iPad or an iPhone on your Mac using QuickTime Player. So the first thing that we're going to need obviously is an iPhone or an iPad, and we'll also need your lightning cable, which is the same cable that you charge with. So right now I have one end of that plugged into my Mac and the other I'm going to plug into my phone in just a minute. But first thing we're going to need to do is open up QuickTime Player, which is in Finder and under Applications, and we can go right to where it says QuickTime Player. We'll double click on that, and you'll notice it'll say QuickTime Player up here in the top left. Don't be alarmed if a window does not pop up. We're going to go under File, and then we're going to go to New Movie Recording. And in a second, you will see me. Hello. And I'm going to plug in my phone right here, and we're going to use the other end of the cable, and we'll plug that right in there. Now, you will most likely get a prompt that asks you if you want to trust your computer and if you want to trust your phone. You're going to go ahead and say yes. And then once you've done that, you're going to click right on the arrow right over here next to the recording, if you see it. And right now we're using the FaceTime camera, which is the camera right here on my Mac. But we're going to switch that over to the name of your iPhone. In my case, it's the XS Max. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to take a second, and it's going to flip over to whatever's being shown on my phone. Super, super helpful. There we go. And now what's great about this is if I want to record a tutorial for the students, I can do it right here on the phone using pretty much any app I want. So let's go ahead. I'm going to move my mouse over, and you'll notice that when I click on the arrow, it says XS to the max, name of the phone, and internal microphone. We really want to make sure that this is checked, because this is the microphone that is on the computer. It is recording my voice. There are some times where this is not checked and you don't want to go through and make a tutorial and have no audio. That's no fun. So as long as those two things are checked, we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit record. It's going to start the recording pretty much right away. And then I'm going to hop over into the notes. And you know what? Let's make a new smile face this time. So I'm going to choose the pen tool. Let's come over here. We use blue again. And I'm going to say this time, let's make an angry face or a sad face. So we'll make one eye, two eyes, and a frown. And I'll say that is all we need to do today, students, to make our sad face. And then I will go ahead and click on the stop button. And that's going to save my video. You'll notice right here that it says Untitled. So we're going to go up to File and hit Save. And we're going to make this sad face instructional video. And then we get to choose where we want to save it. I'm just going to save it right onto the desktop right there. And that is it. We are good to go. You'll notice it clocks in at 27 seconds. And if I hit play, you'll actually hear the tutorial. Let's take a listen. Record. It's going to start the recording pretty much right away. And then I'm going to hop over into the notes. And you know what? Let's make a new... Wonderful. And as you can see, that is all that we need to do in order to take a video of something going on an iOS device. If you have any questions, by all means, reach out to us over at tech@sch.org.